Hi, I'm Leah Schaefer, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make my party dips. So the last thing we're going to do is add the spices, which are going to give it, of course, flavor and color. First thing I'm going to put in there is a pinch of sea salt. I'll make that 2 pinches. I'm going to crack some black pepper in there. About 6 or 7 good cracks, and give it a mix. Then we'll add some oregano. About a teaspoon or so. And same with the basil. About a teaspoon or so. And then the parsley. Use about the same amount. And we'll stir it. And then I will take my clean spoon and check it for seasoning to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. And then that's actually just right. So now we're just going to put it in the dish and get ready to serve it.